kitchen. What's the kitchen?
Mother.
Nami agune temba. Nami agune temba me nam. What's I? Maka sem etia binding. I swear to God. Me think Kakosia create and control we beje. No more money ma didi atem. Kura yeti mo muso money ma didi atem. And NDC as well person stop e didi atem. Anyway, brofuna President John Mahama used to no enye didi atem no party was see hate speech. Me dey say na me no hate speech. Sebi wakofa tribe bi no wadi o matter man menya sure say ebia sebi obi ka say IGP ani mo time no worker because no enye didi atem. Ya kashi wani no wahwe wani tuwuhwe wani mu na wa wonte wo ho ase a no wabusa wo yere wonte wo ho ase a wo ma wo ho no aka obuzo mzo oh yesi mani mo time na mo nje agima me na afa uwia wo be take yasia no wa take yasia akọ wani mo time nya no anse ya kashi wani mo time ampa so wonte wani wonti wani animu ade bia wodi titi wisu de bia wamu na wani minim de one ne won tokwa wo krom ha wo so pen tokwa akwa boku na wo ho no boku ene wo wa tete ni pentiment na ne nka na wo do boys hwe boys a wodi kwoti abro ne court sa boys ntu nko mo ko boku anko mu nya adwuma de sa boys no ene Black Maria no ye de ko boku anka ntinipa nya adwuma nya wo ho na mo de Black Maria akwati abronya ba akopɛ anyway me si wo muni na bonsam ni so bekum Jesus Christ ama nkofo anya fa ahodi enko anye na abronya ni din na dama na ni international communities wa me yehu abronya na jaja wodi abronya asem enya no resign jaja wodi abronya asem ya brief
wanya resign
oh I resign aduma ultimate to aso what in kwadi atem je obetima to aso
motherfucker
judge mo kotu mrafa ya adwuma wasi animal farm book aboa animal farm book no obi book awatre edico school eno na wo be kotu dia ama judgment animal farm ni yati yati Banana Republic na musitiwo ebi musi an sofu bi na bomba yeti a abronya na mse sofu na bomba yeti abronya no won na boti ajeje no so ana ene judge na nanim agu ase no sofu ne mpa igbo ana mu ka ze yenim so mu otumi ampa mu otumi na wutumi no enye obia na nyame betimi no ma de na hwe ase irrespective of level a wadru nipa na sem na okan no nyame bebuza se nti obi nka bi ntra oda edi adidi atem na Kevin Taylor woni sa sofu ne ne beba edi akwan na Kevin Taylor on fa sa sofu no one ne ma ne na busua emfa so okromu a moti sa sofu ni igbo ni dua that MP before the idea mo
Abwe MP before na no money agi say ya chi abronye no ensema na abronye kan enu ebi na na lestet enso ka enu
ase wuni mother mother the antikra the
wonya lestet enso nye
mami kancho mother me media to me abronye onye boni bia
okoshem
abronye onye boni bia
incoming Yoko president.
Abronya wonya body bia ma me.
Yoko boss.
Akufuado ni ebusa ne se. Say o party mu Judas. O kasa bebre wasi obeyi mu secret pie Akufuado ka chom so munjai. Na apesa we ya benkwan na eye da ho. Wan hwe akakoni momoni nyina wo de batum. Sa na politics etie. Eye den a wo benye obi a obeka nsematia but wo be manage na wo call baby. We na John Mahama so on TV da. So obi anu ya hey na mu rev say radio obi wo Ghana ya friend SYZ radio a nipa timi kotena so say o pese private jet de Akufuado hwe no owu me se maami bi no ko ye program
any radio good na
maami bi any Mugabe ko ye program o say Akufuado ye wicked nti oni ni so owu kura Heaven Gate ya be manage na no na Akufuado ya bonsam ono oba besia o because of person John Mahama ba power na mu pese ya tuni nyina agu ni ya wo enkura ayi adrenpa yin no se hwan e wo Germany a wawu no akwa we gina wo fa snap se wo no wo kase Akufuado ne ayi otumfo na mebu mu na mekase na pia so oburo mu dua kwase asa no be bia nyame de na kopie enti me no se awu no be ka chem se me feel bad nipa obi nya ne hwe was solitia nipana eduka de was solitia ni nyame soli and then this per se ya kan anutum e wo kromu a da bi this wo mukuye nyina because media so far as a mini obi atem ne de obi no fa mi video akama do omo ye adwuma omo de aba power no ye be me see ye wo kromu na sami jamfina ne yire eye hook up no ne yire ye hook up no ye hook up wa brochire no obeka say Dr. Baumia yire edi ayi V8 and so ni make up boss obi ye ni bibi sami jamfia beka etna TV so ka say or suspect say Akufo ye insane ti yanko check na adwenim e was psychiatric ono kwan a odi Akufo adofa so and no one beka say gold who pese nani golda beje licenses kwasi asem kwa me pese me nani me gold di year ring no this year beje license na nya bro any beye and na was uncle ya do one say na amen na fi twa entrema en twa me yam say sa gold ya ya kan wasem an ye kofre letter na wo ye room 6 o na no sa letter na e friend jampo no ayo ye buta no yo Dabi now Dabi yo enko bebre ko room 6 enso omu nim nyansa na sa lecture we ko room 6 de wadimi onim nyansa
say lecture monatuni no
so
okay agu me so
Ghana de ahochire be na wa si ye NDC constituency free Ghana ma Ghana ya abrochire because we constituency and then ama Ghana ya congested a NDC constituency nko just about 5 regions per what Ghana ehia dokuru omu se susuro na omu ma Ghana pressure beda ye so sa na sa 5 regions no su nyina MP NDC for constituency yemfa voter region yemfa all the northern part of Ghana ni nyina NDC for ne kuta omu enso moda se me katire ade a wo beko ewo uko voter region ye beto aba na o makoche agbelemani magi na kroni sei ento omu nya dwane beduru nkrani kumasi a omu se Ghana ayeden Ghana be na ayeden se wo MP ni se bi wo si institution bi wo na wo developing sa constituency wa enti ngabe kumasi ne nkra be ka se Ghana ayeden ebi amuso hwe nordness ye ba kumasi ne nkra be ka ya yoyi sebi enam se ahotira du kuro ni nti oba ha obeduru ape wase ne ho kire na obi asuma obi ewom si ye nyina ya Ghana fo enu ti ne yanya time se oman bia na constituency bia enyi nipa ba ko wonim nyansa no medi omanim no ma amamuo ana wo ma development emra omo constituency na ukoji sika na ukoto abafon enye kanye Ghana this a ukope MP adi ana ukope president adi this a ukope nipa ache mabodam mi bedi usuno me sample ache na me ba adi na me yama me pa wache we na di tumi ni mamia me ba adi na me yama nipa wo kanyansa sem wo vision wo adwene ode babu constituency no on na ese wo to abama ne be MP enye de obeka se mesra to ma me mesra no yedi mesra yedi tu preti tu tware uko kan omo si ai wa ahobrase ukrokro nipa enti men krokro no mi benya power mesa krokro obiam binya power metwi condemn sa na ekoso enne sa na ekoso because nipa bibini mpe no kure se wo pese wutie no kure tie nipa na wo vision tie nipa na wo pese wabra bomu sakraye bam tie nipa na obema wo da achie siye ono ne yeto abama no yantu abama de obekọ akoto apetesi yama o yantu abama de obekọ akoto tramo ama o yantu abama de obemu watwi soloku na soloku emfa development ma Ghana for no sebi president John Mahama Kazi yemu bia jimi no yampa because when we say short memory ni de we trim na we ni short memory ka beto ama NDC a wose say NDC ba mu bia ma obesisa wo niema de adwane ene wo nkofo na asese wo niema adwane Cote d'Ivoire no madam dase
mesme dase odeno
Yes.
yachima omaya jimi fo simiama odeno
Mitio.
yanko
Okay. Bidasi say wakwa ba ma wasan a pick me up. Na the maker now una obey MPP 4 to do na any idea no maximum
The journalist.
I am.
Have you asked Honorable Uyota Blakwa this same question?
Honorable,
When he said that, have you asked him?
of course,
No,
when
let
that
me ask you
happened,
a
we
question.
have. But I'm
You have
saying
to ask
this.
him.
This is what.
No,
this is what we are treating now.
The problem I have in Ghana, and I've said it on radio, I've said it on Okusi said several times on Joy News PM. I've said this, that the problem I have is the hypocrisy in the system. The hypocrisy, especially with media people, chiefs, and sometimes pastors.
But Honorable, were you expecting us
No,
to
I'm
allow
just
you to
talking.
go
I'm
scot-free
not that-
after making that statement? We
No,
shouldn't
I'm not
even
by this saying
query
that.
you. We shouldn't ask you questions. We should
No,
just allow you to go
but-
scot-free.
But the point I'm trying to ask you is that, for me, what did I do when I said that? I came back to say something. Did I say something? Did I? I said something about after that. Yeah. Hello.
I'm here with you, please.
No, we are having a conversation.
Sure.
Except you don't want me to also talk.
Oh, no, please,
Then
please do.
I will stop talking because we are having a conversation and a very civil one. My point is that nobody pushed me to say that. Oh, I think I went very far.
Right.
So that. But I'm just asking you a question. You as a media person, and that's the problem I have in this country now. All of a sudden, NDC has come, so every media person is dancing to the tune of NDC. Whatever NDC,
Honorable.
let me finish.
Okay,
Excuse me, let me
please
finish,
finish.
please. Whatever NDC does that is bad is good in their eyes. My point is that Honorable Ablakwa said something similar. No media house in the Ghana knew the story at that time, said all those kind of things, what they said to me. I'm not by that justifying my action. I told you earlier on that I'm not justifying, but my point is that there are two templates that you want. If you want to solve a problem, what you have to do that the measure you use to hit some or to address an issue, you have to use the same measure to also address another issue of similar importance. But when you treat one differently, then people will have issues with you. That's the point I'm making. That's the point I'm making, because the point is that I was expecting all those media people talking plenty to have used the same energy because Okuyota Blakwa, my brother in Parliament, is now a minister for foreign affairs. He is in power. So now all those people, including you yourself and other people, they are afraid of him. They can ask him. They can't even query him and ask him to apologize. They can't even query him and say all those things that he said to me, to him. They can't.
Okay,
They are afraid of him.
I'm not too
Because
sure about.
these people, that's the truth.
I'm
And
not
putting it
too
to
sure about
you are not sure
know
about it, I'm telling
journalists
you. No,
being
I'm telling
afraid
you because
of
it is
Honorable
what they said is
Okudzeto.
different from what I said.
I'm not too sure about your statement that we are afraid
No,
of.
but
I'm
what
not
he
too
said,
sure about that.
what
But
he said,
but it's fine. Let's proceed.
No,
I mean
we
that's
can move on. Let's address this issue. Let's
okay.
finish.
Please finish.
My point that what he said, was it different from what I also said? We almost said the same thing, but nobody put or hit him with a hammer. You know, everybody treated him with a kid's glove because everybody's afraid of him. He's the
Interesting.
Minister of Foreign Affairs, so we can't talk about him. But
Interesting.
I said something similar, and everybody think that I've killed human beings. But people have even murdered children. That's what I'm saying. Because what people did to me, it equals to, at least, as if I've committed serious murder. But the Okuyota Blakwa did this almost the same thing, and he was left off the hook to go.
Okay,
Is that fair?
that's fine. That's
That's
fine.
not
I mean
fairness.
that's fine. I mean
the politics that we are doing is not normal. And what is going on is not normal.
1.5 million vote difference.
Hey, seven. It's not normal. And when you appear, Sir Angles for Betmaya, appear all the boys in Samuel Landguard, or we street boys who, or we then can reach out to them and win power. It's not about who folk will be and me, when I become the next national organizer, by the grace of God, I will not be on radio and TV to talk And time me addressing the nation to be like, yeah, Papa, Nanado,
Fellow Ghanaians.
fellow Ghanaians. A fly, they see Moses Bekasa. Everybody will be at their house just to watch and listen to what I want to say. And my speech will be like 5-10 minutes, and it's going to be wisdom because I will gather evidence and I will know what to tell Ghanaians. But my deputies can do those things. What I'm going to do already way. I mean the answer of the only thing. I mean Bambe Kasa. Now me the bomb never took any speech. Me being your national organizer, mind you, me appointment the next government. As a national organizer alone, it's okay.
The lands.
You know what you want to be a government appointee.